What is up, guys? It is Mr. MTB, and today I'm going to be tuning up my brother's Specialized Hard Rock Sport. There's a couple things wrong. First off, his brakes need to be reattached. Both of them somehow came off. This tire is completely flat. The derailleur needs to be adjusted, and there's a couple other things we're going to do. All his bolts are kind of loose. I'm not going to lie. His handlebars could be... Oh, and his whole brake, yeah. There's a lot of things wrong. We're going to give it a simple tune-up and a clean. So, okay guys, we are going to go into my garage, and we're going to go to my toolbox, and we are going to get the tools that we need. But, since I'm a short little guy, I'm going to need something to stand on. Okay, here's my toolbox. Okay, so first thing, we are going to grab a screwdriver. This one should work. And something else. We need a, what is it? We need a air pump. Get that. What else? Yeah, I think that's actually it for right now, other than the other stuff, which I think should be pretty simple to fix. So we got that. I'm going to attempt to find a little stand or something, like a stand I can actually put camera on, so you guys can't probably see the thing I am doing. Okay. Let's see if this works. Shoot, you guys almost just died. Okay, let's see how that looks. Oh, you can actually see the whole bike from here. Okay. So, first thing you're going to do is put these brake calipers back on. So, you guys watch as I labor. That is the first one. I'll take you guys with me to do the second one. Hopefully. Shoot, you guys are not going to get any of that. I think you can see that. That is the second one. Done. So, next thing is this back tire is super freaking low, so we are going to pump it up. What the flip am I doing? Okay. We're gonna pump it up. Okay, guys, this is what I thought. This is what I hate about Schrader. You gotta get it literally locked in just perfectly. Here, I'm gonna actually put some water out. Yes. Okay, I got it. We're gonna pump to about 25 psi. About 25. And as you can see, it's firm again. Next part, probably my least favorite part, is I'm going to adjust his derailleur, cause it is a little too it's a little to the left. Zoom in. Let's go to the H screw. That's a lot better. Now the thing is, does it shift is the question. Oh, we will now check if it shifts without dying. And you already know my brother has a kickstand, like all of us did as 6-year-olds. Oh, his friend used to be pumped up so bad. We're gonna go to the lowest gear, work our way up. His kickstand needs to be adjusted. Oh, okay, I see. His kickstand needs to be adjusted, but also, here, let me see. Does these gears shift? No, they don't. Oh, I bet that's why. But basically, bottom two do not go down. So we're gonna loosen that up, tighten his front, and I'll show you when we're there. Okay, guys, we are now going to adjust his derailleur again, because I see what I did wrong. See if that shifts it. Oh, so close, guys. So close, just a little more out. That should get it. Oh, it wants it so bad. Oh, come on. Is it the L screw? It might actually just be the L screw. I bet it's just the L screw. So now we got that adjusted. We can now, Mia, be quiet. Mia, treat. Sit. Okay, shut up now. Okay. Next thing, we have to front her up. And my dog yaps for no freaking reason. Okay. So, we will now get to it. Okay guys, I'm going to fill up this valve, and then I will, I'm going to stop and do this, because this can take forever because it's tilted, but I will get it running, and then I will demonstrate, and I will show you. Okay guys, I thought that was going to be super hard. It actually just went straight in, so now, see if my camera's good enough. You can't, but here, I'll put my camera down, and we are going up to 25 psi. Okay guys, we're gonna go put up all my tools. Go get my other tools. Oh crap. Just get my bike. Yeah, good. And we got the screwdriver, throw it on there. We'll go test the bike out. There we go. It's the best way to adjust. Oh, it's in the hardest gear. So one thing I couldn't do is this bike, left shifter, it does not shift because it got broken. So I might make a video replacing it because there's no way to adjust it. So we go to the top, it shifts. Second shifts. Third shifts. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. And eighth. And we're good. I got it to shift through all the gears. So I'm actually so proud of myself. Actually leave this video, and so if you like, I might do a flip bike video, but simple tune-up run was a good start. This bike has no suspension, and I will see you next time. So as always, like and subscribe.